Hey everyone, this is Morgan Bailey. Welcome to my YouTube channel, where every week we share funny videos that'll keep you entertained and laughing. If you enjoy what you see, don't forget to share, give a thumbs up, and subscribe. Your support means a lot and helps us keep the fun going. Now let's start today's video, and thanks for watching. When your friend comes to celebrate your birthday but ends up ruining your birthday cake, what would you do? Bro, they're definitely here to sabotage the party. These are definitely the most avant-garde high heels I've ever seen. I bet they could last a century without breaking. What would you do if your wife wrecked your car on the very first day she got her driver's license? I've seen plenty of traffic accident videos, but I never thought a traffic camera could have an accident too. Bro, if you keep jumping like that, your phone's never getting fixed. Sometimes you'll never understand the things your roommate buys. I swear, this is hands down the strangest stove I've ever seen. I really want to know what kind of animal it is. This is by far the most elegant video I've ever seen of someone drinking in the snow. They don't even need ice cubes. To be honest, I never thought you could play this kind of game in a library. But I'm more curious about what would happen if you got stuck between the bookshelves. Sometimes the strangest places turn out to be the safest. The content on the internet is really fascinating. This is the first time I've seen a cat's body from a flea's perspective. Some car accidents are completely impossible to understand. Like these two taxis, you have no idea how they ended up like this. Honestly, I never knew you could play with a McDonald's straw like this. I know a washing machine can clean clothes really well, but bro, are you sure this washing machine won't ruin your clothes? I'm absolutely sure that in any city in the world, if you drift in front of a police officer on a snowy day, they'll understand it as your car sliding. I'm really curious, how much money do you have in your bank account that would make you destroy a Lamborghini just to film a video? Bro, I really don't get it. The road is so wide. Why do you insist on driving through this narrow gap? Bro, if it weren't for you recommending this wig to the customer, I bet he'd have beaten you up and sent you to the hospital by now. If it weren't for this video, I guess men would never understand why their chair disappears just because they stand up for a second. To be honest, I suddenly started wondering if motorcycles could actually be driven with a steering wheel. Never try to prank your friend like this, because chances are the person hiding behind the door will end up getting hurt. To be honest, I never thought a donkey could pull an SUV so effortlessly. This is hands down the most baffling injury video I've ever seen. You'll never understand what men are thinking sometimes. Bro, I'm a bit confused about how your dog learned to ride a motorcycle. Sometimes you just can't understand the actions of the police. I really wonder if he'll cover the medical expenses for the injured person. Sometimes you just can't understand men's behavior. For example, why would he get his fingers caught while closing the door? Bro, you're already on crutches, and you still have the courage to poke a wasp nest? There's no way you can run away. When you've just bought a new motorcycle, sometimes you need to spend a little time taming it. I really want to know what happened to Taylor Swift. Sometimes you just can't understand what the driver's thinking. For example, this man completely turned the garage exit into a blocked path. What would you do if you were on your first date at the movies with your boyfriend and saw something like this happen? Sometimes motorcycle riders getting injured is truly baffling. The man didn't even use the brakes. This is definitely the smartest parrot I've ever seen. Now I understand why so many people enjoy keeping birds. When men and their friends are drunk, you'll see a lot of interesting things happening that you wouldn't normally see. Bro, I'm not sure if the motorcycle can handle your weight, but I'm definitely sure this tire has already exceeded its limit. Bro, I really want to know why you're wearing such a long piece of clothing.